Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and today we will discuss the coating material percentage case study. I hope you are enjoying our case study playlist where we discuss daily life pharma case studies. And if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. During a routine visit in coating section, the production manager asked a question from the operator which was busy in the coating process. He asked him that how much percentage of coating material is available in this batch, but the operator was not aware of the coating percentage. So here is an important message that our operators must be technical expert and be aware that how basic coating calculations are performed. So when the answer was not provided by the coating operator, the manager asked the same question from the coating pharmacist, but unfortunately the coating pharmacist was fresh and he was not aware of this coating material percentage calculation. So the production manager gave the task to the pharmacist to tell him about the percentage of coating material till evening. Now in this video we will help the pharmacist to calculate the percentage of coating material, and I hope this will also be helpful for you and you will learn it by yourself and will also teach it to your operator. So for calculating the coating material percentage, simply we will combine the quantities of all the solid contents, and in our formulation we have film former, plasticizer, opacants, IPA and water. The quantities are provided. These are just for the explanation, mean this one is not a real formulation. So in this case we will take only the values of the solid contents. So when we will add these values, the answer will be 1.3 kilogram. So to calculate the coating material percentage, we use the solid content quantities divided by the batch size, which in our case is 30 kg, multiplied by 100. When we will solve it, our answer will be 4.33%. So in this case you can easily calculate the coating material percentage. So calculate and give the answer in the comment box. If this value is 2 kg, this value is 0.4 and this value is 0.3, batch size is same 30 kg, what will be the answer for coating material percentage? If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.